If sawa ka ng maging utusan as a social media manager, here are the skills that I really recommend for you to upskill or priority nyong i-upskill kasi this pays so well. This is just based on my experience kasi again, I am not recommending something if hindi ko pa talaga siya na-experience. Unang-una, strategy. If gusto mong magkaroon ng premium client like based on money that they are paying you, strategy is really the best. Like, si strategy kasi, you're going to position the business. Ano yung mga content ideas na i-create na client mo? Sila na yung mag-edit. You'll just do the market research, content strategy, content ideas, and ikaw lang yung magsasabi ko ano yung gagawin ni client, and that's it. Sila na mag-film, sila na mag-edit. So, meaning you are a social media strategist. And I had a client na binayaran ako just for 1 month for 25 content ideas worth $1,500 a month. So, ganun siya. And yes, it pays so well at pwede mo siyang gawin talaga ng hindi super hassle. It's just that, ang bad side lang nito or the disadvantage of being a social media strategist is there are times na 2 months hindi sila magpapagawa sa'yo, so hindi siya consistently monthly. Kasi nakadepende yun sa kung ilang content ang na-film ni client, na-edit at na-post. So, may mga client kasi na hindi sila consistent. Kaya we are offering the full social media management that includes editing para control natin yung payment. Tayo kasi mag-i-edit, sila magbibigay ng footage, and tayo na din ang magpo-post. Eh, since nga mga client, they are so busy, they don't have time to do the editing, but of course, they also don't have the budget to hire someone for the full social media management. So, yun. Again, social media strategist, it pays so well. And second is the email marketing. This is part of the social media management kasi dito ka makakakuha ng mga email list. And actually, I've been doing the email marketing for my account and for my client's account. I started practicing the email marketing sa sarili ko muna bago ko siya i-offer sa client ko. And sobrang dali niya if you know how it works. Ito naman, kabaliktaran siya ni social media strategist. So, more likely, ito ay makakakuha ka ng consistent monthly. So, yung email marketing, nakadepende yan sa email na i-avail or gagawin mo kay na client every month. So, ako kasi, ginagawa ko lang sa client ko is 2 emails per month and that's it. So, 2 lang ng email. So, you can definitely do it in just one sitting. Wala pa siyang mga isang oras. And they are paying you monthly na. Ang kagandahan nito is hindi ka lang gagawa ng simple email. Kailangan you understand the system, the flow. Para lang din siya sa pag-create ng content. May mga hook, may mga content strategy din. So, ito naman is may email strategy, how you will hook people to open the email and click the link. So, dito sa email marketing, it's very important because we know naman everything na meron tayo sa social media, it's not ours. Hindi siya sa atin. Malay mo, kinabukasan is mawala na yung account mo even though you have 500,000 followers, 1 million followers. Mata-turn down pa din yan kung kagustuhan yan ng platform. Kaya it's really better to have or to learn email marketing kasi that's another way to connect with your target audience outside social media. And you can definitely sell using email. I'm also selling sa email and it works so well kasi nakakakuha talaga ako doon ng mga sales sa email even though I am not posting sa social media. And syempre, may mga tao naman na hindi gumagamit ng email pero may mga tao naman na nakabasa sa email, especially mga clients. Late ko nga siya na-realize Nalaman ko lang sa email marketing mga late 2025. And I started 2023. It's a game changer kasi as you can see, I am not really active on my Instagram but I am selling too much with my email which I gain clients din sa email. Kaya email marketing is the best that you can learn outside social media but is connected to social media. Okay? And the third and the fourth, siguro pagsasamahin ko na lang din siya kasi it really is connected, the marketing and the sales. It's part of the social media kasi syempre you can sell something in social media if you don't know how marketing and sales work. And yes, magkaiba po sila. Si marketing kasi, it's more on marketing the products to people. So definitely, kailangan alam mo talaga dyan yung mga demographics ng audience mo. And si sales kasi on how you will position the pricing or the business outside or within the competitor. And sobrang magkaiba sila. And those are the things then na I want you guys to explore if ever na mag-upskill kayo, kasi it's not only for your own sake as a freelancer but also in the future if you wanna build your own business. Nasabi ko na very important siya dahil I have my own business. Knowing marketing and knowing sales is very, very important. I-add nyo na din ang pagiging accountant or accounting. Kailangan alam nyo din talaga si accounting. Like the asset, liabilities, and equity, and also the shares, yung mga ganon, mga tax, kailangan aware din kayo talaga doon. I don't want to overwhelm you guys, pero siguro let's start with the 1 and 2 muna, yung strategies and also yung email marketing. Marketing and sales is another level na din talaga yon, and hindi nyo siya maiintindihan si marketing and sales if you don't know the social media flow talaga, which connects to email marketing and also to strategist. Advanced na din talaga to, but let's start with the strategist. Kaya kung hindi mo pa napapanood yung content strategy and market research video ko, why at bakit talaga hindi mo siya pinapanood, it's time for you to upskill, girl. Kaya kung ayaw mo maging utosan, panoodin mo na yon. This is the video. Ayan at ayan. But I also want to connect with you guys, kaya follow me on Instagram and on TikTok, and I will see you on my next video.